Take a ride in the 2021 Kia K5. The Kia K5 has a stylish exterior that will be sure to turn heads. Sleek interior looks, fantastic handling, and an abundance of technology will make this a fun vehicle to drive, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.